Hello and welcome to my new video. This time we will go through different types of NATO straps. How do they look, what's the difference between them, and how to put them on your watches. Now I do have a different type of these straps, in different colors and combinations, also in different width, and I do switch them depending on the watch I'm wearing, season of the year, and other clothing I'm wearing so it matches. Watch in my hands is the Seiko SSK003 GMT Automatic, perfect candidate for me to show you what I have previously said. It's got some colors to it. It is a statement of the watch with its GMT function. Nicely sized and with lug width of 22 mm, your NATO strap will be visible and a statement. Let's begin with the classic watch strap. Here is the watch itself. I have removed the leather band or leather strap and install these spring bars. As I've said, the lug width is 22 mm. The classic watch strap, well, those are these, and as you can see, here they are in different color variations. Now let me put this one. This one is actually a ribbed NATO strap, so it has more quality to it. Now let's see how it goes. So this is the strap. Here is the buckle over here. So now you put the strap on the upper side of the watch, go through it, then use the other end, put it through here, and then goes through the part itself, and here it is. Now you adjust the watch in the middle, and let me show you how it looks on my hand. There it is on my hand. Now let me show you this part over here. So you put it through both of these links and roll it over here. That's how I do it. Tuck it back in, and here is the watch on the classic NATO strap on my wrist. This is the 7-inch wrist. Next up, it's the Zulu watch strap, or NATO Zulu, how they call it. The in essence is the same as the NATO strap, but it has more quality to it and the double links over here. So let me show you. The principle is the same. You have the watch, you go to the upper side where the 12 o'clock is, go through there, and I don't know, the camera catches it, but this strap is better made. It has more quality to it, and it's also tougher to manipulate it with. Let me show you on the wrist. There it is on my wrist. As you can see, these are more rigid, and the watch is better seated on your wrist, so it won't slip on easily. Also, the material is much more rigid. Here it is on my 7-inch wrist. These are Marine Nationale watch straps, and let me show you how to put them on and how to set this to your watch. You may see that I have been using these watch straps, so it's easier for me now to put my watch on. But let's go step by step on how to put them and use them. As you can see, it is elastic and it comes like this. So you have to set it on your own. There will be a couple of tries and goes with the until you get it to fit your wrist exactly the way you want it. This is how I do it. I pull this over all the way over here, and then this is the procedure. You take this part over here and put it like that. Now the watch should be going like this. So this is the measurement that I got previously, and now I have to remove these these bars, spring bars, leave them over here, and let me show you how to put them on. Now this is the watch. The 12 o'clock is over here. Again, we do it like this. So this is it. Now I roll the watch down, then put the spring bar over here in the first hole. I found it. Using the tool with the fork, I grab it and put it in the other hole over there. I turn the watch, get my spring bar, find the hole, use my tool to get it to the second hole. You will hear it, and there it is. And this is your Marine Nationale on your Seiko. Now, as you can see, it's elastic, so I put it on my hand over here, use my finger over here to adjust it. So what I'm doing now is pulling this over here, up all the way up there. Do that. Snatch that part with this, and there it is. That is my Marine Nationale NATO strap on Seiko SSK 003. Wrist size is 7 inches. Paratrooper NATO strap. Over here I have an edifice with this strap installed, and you can see how it works. But let me go to step by step on how to put it on. Now the procedure. First, let me position my watch strap on my watch. So this is how it's supposed to be. Now let me roll the watch over. So the 12 o'clock is where the buckle is. And then I put my pins with my tool to the holes until they snap back in, and there it is. Give it a little nudge to test it. It won't be a horrible thing if you lose the spring bar, but they can spiral out of the control, lash out like, and try to minimize the usage of tools because you may scratch your watch. Now I have installed my pins, and let me put on this watch. These are also stretchable, so you will have to fine-tune your watch on the strap, and there it is. So now you have, I don't know, did you catch it, but here it is. So I do it like this, take the other side, put the rest of the strap underneath, and using this hook over here, I latch onto this part over here. Then I tuck this side of the watch, of the strap underneath the strap itself. And there it is. That is the Paratrooper NATO strap. Now you can position this basically when you move the watch alongside the strap, the position of this will also be moved left or right, or on the front part of the wrist or your back part of your wrist. This is the 7-inch wrist again. That would be all regarding the NATO straps and how to use them and how to put them on. I also do have a couple of leather bands, but I'm not going to go through that because I believe the procedure is this simple. Thank you very much. I hope the video helped, and if you like the content, please subscribe. Thank you.